In this video, I'll show you how to download a file in Canva. First, open your project in Canva. Make sure you have finished editing your design. Click Share in the top right corner. Select Download. Click the File Type menu. Choose the file format you want to save. You can select PNG, JPG, PDF Standard, PDF Print, or another available format. Click Download. Wait while Canva prepares your file. The file will be downloaded to your computer. To find it, open File Explorer. Open the Downloads folder. Your Canva project will be saved there. That's it. This is how you can download a file in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.